Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morrell. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. Today we will learn about Lewis Latimer's work. Let's get started. Yesterday, we learned about Lewis Latimer's early life and his early challenges. I asked you to answer 3 questions. We're going to write the answers today. Get your writing from yesterday to check your work. First question was, when and where was Lewis Latimer born? Answer out loud, read what you wrote. Lewis Latimer was born, according to the text, Lewis Latimer was born in Massachusetts in 1848. Okay, the next question was, what challenges did Latimer and his family have in his early life? Read your answer out loud. One challenge that Latimer and his family had was... There are a couple of challenges in the text. I'm going to put one here. One challenge that Latimer and his family had was that his parents escaped from slavery and his father had to leave the family so he would not be sent back to slavery. So his parents escaped from being slaves, and Lewis Latimer's father had to leave the family so he would not be sent back to slavery. Another challenge was Latimer had to work to help his family. So even when he was a child, he still had to work to help his family. Okay. So today, we're going to learn about Lewis Latimer's work. Today we will read to learn about Lewis Latimer's work. As we read, I want you to think about, how did Lewis Latimer get a better job? Better means higher in quality. Good, better, best. Okay. Before we start reading, here's some vocabulary that we need to know. The first word is job. Say job. Here's the picture. Job means the work that a person does regularly in order to earn money. So I could say, my job is being a teacher. You can say a sentence either for your job or someone in your family. My mom's job is being a nurse. Say a sentence out loud using the word job. Okay, the next word is patent. Say patent. This piece of paper is a patent about an idea. An idea. A patent is a government document that gives a person or company the right to be the only one that makes or sells a product for a certain period of time. So if you invent something, you can get a patent so that you are the only person to make or sell that thing. For my sentence, I could say, Thomas Edison got a patent for the light bulb. Think of something else that Thomas Edison invented. and use patent in a sentence. Say it out loud. Okay. The next word is partner. Say partner. These two people are partners. A partner is one of two or more people, businesses, etc., that work together or do business together. I could say, I like to work with a partner because we share ideas. I want you to say a sentence, why you like to work with a partner, or you can say, I do not like to work with a partner because. Say it out loud. As we read today, I want you to be thinking about, how did Lewis Latimer get a better job? Okay. Please read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. And remember, we finished yesterday by saying that after the Civil War, he, Latimer, went to Boston. Let's read this part together. He took a job at a patent law office that helped inventors. They did not give him a good job. Latimer learned mechanical drawing by watching draftsmen. The lawyers saw Latimer's talent. They gave him a better job. Okay. Please read to yourself from here to here. Okay, let's read it together. He became a draftsman. Latimer helped inventors with their inventions. Latimer invented things too. He invented, it should say a right here. He invented a toilet for the train. Toilet for the train. He invented an air conditioning unit. Air conditioning. Okay, please read from here to here. Let's read it together. Latimer worked with Alexander Graham Bell. Latimer helped draft the patent for Bell's telephone. This is Alexander Graham Bell, who invented the telephone. He worked for Thomas Edison. Please read this part to yourself. Let's read together. Latimer had deep understanding of patents and electrical engineering. He was an important partner to Edison. In 1890, Latimer wrote a book about the Edison system of electrical lighting. He worked as a patent consultant until 1922. This part here, you can pause the video and read this to yourself. We're not going to talk about this part today, but if you are interested in Latimer's personal life and his death, please pause the video and read to yourself right now. So the question for today was, how did Lewis Latimer get a better job? Here are your questions for today. How did Lewis Latimer get a better job? Lewis Latimer got a better job because what did Latimer invent? Latimer invented. Who did Latimer work with? Latimer worked with. I want you to pause the video here, write down the questions and your answers. You can go back in the video to look at the text again to get your answers. Tomorrow we will talk about the answers to these questions. Keep reading. Stay safe. I miss you. Bye, everyone.